Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to buy stocks in XTB. The first thing I want you to do is just log into XTB here in your X station. And then here I am on my trades. And then what I want you to do is actually come here and click on this arrow and then click here on stocks. Now here you'll see stocks, you'll see stock CFD. You can go ahead and select your country that you want to get the stocks from. Let's do US stocks, for example. And we'll go ahead and scroll down. Let's say we want to go ahead and get this one right here. Okay, this is SoloWin. So you can just go ahead and add right here the amount of units you want or how many euros worth. And then you click here on buy to buy the stock. Just make sure you have enough funds. So there you go. We're doing a market order. And then you can confirm this. So here's the volume. You'll see your given amount right here, the current price. And then you hit confirm and the trade would be placed. Now make sure you are in the market hours to place your trades. Because if I click here right now, we are not in market hours. We are closed. But once you are in the market hours, you can just go ahead and buy stocks that way. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.